Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. We're filming this at the end. We're tired, our thighs hurt. We've been through it, but we had fun. So enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. The world is an amazing place. There is so much to do and so much to see, and I want you all to do it with me. So fix your crown and let's go on an adventure.
So I made a boo-boo. I didn't know how to start the recording. Oh, you're spraying us with water.
Yes, so that it's clear. The view!
My bad, okay? There are lots of views on our way there and back. Do you not know the views? You know the views.
They don't know the views.
Okay, fine, okay. Yo, guys. Yo, please get coffee. I've been yelled at the entire morning. I might have forgotten to record again. Guys, I am slipping up today.
Wow, that entire view missed.
Don't be like this.
What are you taking now? The side of a mountain?
Why are you shouting at me?
I'm asking a question.
You are shouting at me. Guys, literally, because your music is disturbing me also. The kind of danger we have to drive through just for y'all to get content. Look at this. Also, we've driven through like 4 seasons already in the last 20 minutes.
It looks like a horror movie, guys. Like, this entire scene is just... it's scary.
What are those? It's like a movie.
It is.
Guys,
Yo,
we can't even see the car in front of us.
It just disappeared. We torture
So
ourselves.
now it's drizzling, right? And it's cold.
It just started. We were complaining about the weather that, yo guys, it was hot, and then now it's like this, and then the Lord is like, yeah, during a pandemic.
Now it's raining.
It's raining. It's literally.
It's cold. It's raining. Sis doesn't have a jacket, and we're going horse riding.
When I left the house, the sun was out, guys. It looked
How,
like
guys?
summer.
How?
People were on the beach.
How though?
We almost died, guys.
You legit almost here.
I don't know what happened.
As if we're already not risking our lives in jail by being out when the weather's like this.
I honestly don't know what happened.
Guys,
But we wouldn't have died. The most I would have done was hit that curve thing in the jiggy.
please tell my mother I love her. Because wow. And we are back in business. The sun is out.
This is how you know we are God's favorite.
We are God's favorite daughters.
He
guys.
just smiled at us, guys.
God's
Oh my God.
favorite.
This is pretty.
So, our favorite vlog says, you know, the activity is gonna be good when there's gravel road. I don't know how I feel, but never mind. I've done this before. It's gonna be good. It is a good activity. But your logic might just be flawed, yes. Sometimes when it's gravel road, then it's probably like the pits.
No,
Or
because
Dodge.
remember when you used to go to camp and then when it's a gravel road, it was gonna be lit. And then if it was a thingy, what do you call this? Shkontiri, I don't know what it's called.
A tar road. You don't know what the tar road?
The vendor name came, and then then you knew that the camp was gonna be whack. So
Yeah, nothing good comes out of. If you're gonna go away, you don't want to be in on tar roads. That means you're just home.
hey guys, so we're here and the sun is out. It's a bit cold though. These are the horsies. Why is my camera not focusing? Gosh, I legit forget my mask every single time, and I have to come back to the car every single time, or even go back to the house every single time. Am I the only one who does this? Where's my mask? It's cold. Getting your friend. Woo! Okay, he wants rubbies. how cute are these? Oh, shoe check. So cute. Oh, guys, how pretty is this tail? Oh. Your weaves could never, guys. Could never. Inches. Hey, sweetheart. Oh. Guys, look at this hair though. So pretty. I have hair like this.
You have hair like that?
My wig.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks exactly like
this. You have hair like that.
Guys, this is my horsey. Her name is Shaky. I don't know why they call her Shaky, but she's Shaky. Say hi. Guys, Shaky is so strong. She's carrying a whole... Okay, I'm not going to tell you my weight. Oh, guys, you see these little thingies that are all over? They're like those beehive thingies, majiggies, for honey.
Yeah,
Oh!
they're farming bees.
Yeah. This is what you do when you have the land, okay? You farm bees and you do horse riding. Like, guys, this is so relaxing. It's really relaxing. It's like putting me in a zen mode. It's so nice. Oh, I lost the reins. I mean, look at this. How can you not be relaxed? It's so calm. Now I understand why some people use horse riding as like a form of therapy. But guys, it's cold. And I can't look. Why? Because I'm looking nice for y'all. This is just so pretty. Oh, I need a new camera because it's not showing you exactly what I am seeing. And it's frustrating. Guys, it was almost the end of Gojo, what's my channel thing? It was almost the end of Living La Vida Makhadzi, because then we went for like a little trot, so it actually kind of runs, and then she trips. So imagine this thing falling and I'm on it. Yo, guys, no, that was like high-key scary. And then I tried stopping it, but she wasn't stopping. So, yeah.
It was so funny to watch. So, guys, she legit almost fell.
This one is always tripping, guys. Okay, so these are wild horses. How gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh. So my question is, how do these ones feel when they see those ones like just roaming free, minding their own business, and they're giving us rights? Oh dear, that's Aga, guys. You don't tell me that my shoes can get wet.
I didn't?
No, you didn't. I wouldn't have brought these shoes.
I mean, you already stepped up.
We are princess. Gorgeous. I feel like such a Disney princess, like riding on my horse on the beach with all these views. Oh my gosh, I am here for all of this. It is so beautiful. I can't feel my thighs. I can't feel my thighs, like my inner thighs, it's like they snapped.
Oh, your girl is struggling with Shaky. Are you guys cooperating now?
Yeah. Okay, no, it's Shaky?
Shaky's not cooperating with Katsi right now.
Shaky.
Shaky!
Okay.
Over here.
And
Okay.
then stand.
You can't listen to I know Mama position like
Shaky's girlfriend apparently, and we were trying to take pictures of Shaky. But Shaky just didn't want anything to do with me. My own horse doesn't like me, guys. It's fine.
Can we just back?
Hey guys, so that was so much fun. We look beat up right now because we were wearing helmets.
And we were in the sun, there was sand, it was just not cute.
But I felt like a Disney princess. Oh my gosh, it was, especially when we went to the beach. Oh my goodness. Like, I've done horse riding a million times, but like this experience. Thank you. A plug. Main plug CPT. Follow us.
We don't update the page.
Well,
we are going to try and be consistent. Actually, I should post videos from today on that page.
Also, my horse was shaky. The name of the horse was Shaky, but she was also shaky. Like, she kept on tripping.
But do you know why? It's because you're also shaky.
Like, she kept on tripping all the time, and I'm just like, you know what? If this horse falls, I'm done. Like, I'm it's over. It's
almost so life so many times. It's because she's shaky, but she doesn't fall though.
Yeah, and then they kept on pushing her to run, and the more she runs, the more shaky she is.
Trotting was the whole point.
But it was fun. It was fun. So now, as always, it's not a main plug Saturday without food. So we're going to eat. Where we? Oh, also, I almost broke a nail. Like, this nail is actually really painful because as she was trotting, like it was like.
Horse doing activities with nails that are not appropriate. Like, do you see how long that is?
Dun, 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 dun. Bye. My inner thighs, I'm still like stumbling a bit. It's not cute, guys. It's not cute.
What has a handbag check?
Handbag check. Some LV. Yes. Outfit check. Yes. Yes, mask check. Yes. Nail check. Re-extra. I wanted to sit outside because of the view. It's amazing outside, but it's so windy and so cold. So yeah. Guys, Palesa and I will never be skinny. So we have a rib and calamari combo each, and then we're sharing a wing basket, a samosa basket, and onion rings.
We worked up an appetite.
So this is the view of the restaurant. Got myself a little ice cream here. Yum.
Do that again. These people are having a picnic there. You see that? They brought a whole table even.
This is proper, you guys. This is gorgeous.
You see to your left.
The best of both. You have the mountain views and the ocean views. Like, it's amazing. Hey guys, so we decided to stop. This entire road has like sections where you can stop and park and just look at the view. So this is us right now. Oh Bobby, you look so pretty though. Hey, we drove this entire way, but Umisis is still full.
Ooh.
I was so weak, Mtas.
Oh!
I ate ice cream.
Yeah, but did you see how I ate more than you? I feel like I ate more than you.
I can't even see because my shades. I don't know how this looks. Am I in the frame?
Yeah.
Your fave content provider. Getting this view, you're getting that view, and then you're also getting this view. Cape Town, you guys, is gorgeous. Like, I can't So people just park here and have picnics with all of this. Say bye.
Bye guys.
We didn't even say hi.
Hi and bye.
It's before, yo, my hair's a mess. We took the roof off and then like now we didn't even film an intro and here's the lighting.
Hi and bye.
We didn't even film an intro, but here we are.
Welcome to my channel.
Please look. This is how, you know when you send your kid on a play date and she comes back with no shoes? That's me right now.
Come back from this trip.
We still need some recovery, guys. Cape Town, there is no such thing as coronavirus in Cape Town. People are at the beach. It's full. It's a whole vibe. People are Saturday picnics, no masks, nothing. It's vibes, guys. Vibes.
Vibes.
It's vibes. Like it's vibes, bro.
All day, every day, sis.
But people in Cape Town know how to Saturday, hey? Yo, they know how to Saturday so well.
They Saturday so well, guys.
Like, it was such a vibe driving down the beach and seeing everyone living their best lives.
I will see you when I see you.
Bye.
It's been fun, guys. It's been fun.